to our channel. We are so excited to be participating in Mimi's Fall Dessert collaboration. We went through some recipes. We'd already shared 2 or 3 fall desserts, and I will have those linked below in case this one is not something you're interested in. But this is one that is very nostalgic for me. I've probably made it 20 years or more. I used to make it with my mom when she was alive. We would sit and peel apples at the table and talk and chit chat, and then put this cranberry apple bake in the oven and eat it warm out of the oven with ice cream. It is delicious, and for me it is a very nostalgic and comforting dish. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and that you have a wonderful and blessed day. Thanks for stopping by. For our fall dessert, we're going to make an old recipe. I believe it came from Southern Living magazine. I probably made this with my mom for 10 or 12 years before she passed away, and she's been gone 16 years, so this is a very old recipe. As always, the ingredients will be listed in the recipe link below, but I'll go over everything with you really quick. You'll need a 2-quart, any shape or size baking dish. We're gonna grease it. Then we're gonna chop up 4 cups of any kind of a cooking apple, some 2 cups of cranberries, some lemon juice, some regular white sugar, some quick cook oats. We're gonna chop up some pecans, brown sugar, and we're gonna melt this half a stick of butter to make our hot cranberry apple dessert. Before I start cutting up my apples so they don't turn brown, I'm gonna go ahead and mix up the topping, which is 1 1/3 cups of quick cook oats, 1 cup chopped pecans, 1/3 cup of brown sugar. Once I've got the fruit ready, we will add the melted butter to the topping mixture. I've got to peel, core, and chop 4 cups of apples. My apples were a little smaller than I would like. You're supposed to have 4 cups. I had about 3 3/4. We're gonna make it work. I have washed 2 cups of the cranberries. It's not quite a full bag. We're gonna mix those in our greased baking dish. We're gonna pour 1 1/2 teaspoons of lemon juice over the fruit. Take our 1 cup of sugar, sprinkle it over. Take our crumble mixture, just mix the melted butter just until everything's moistened, and we can crumble it over the top of the fruit. I've got my oven preheating to 325. As soon as it's ready, this is gonna go in, I think, for a full hour. This is pretty full to be on the safe side. I am gonna bake it on a cookie sheet in case there's any spillage or it comes out. We are gonna bake it uncovered in a 325-degree oven for 1 hour. When it comes out, I will find my taste tester and get out some vanilla ice cream, and we will have a hot apple cranberry dessert. It's been in the oven an hour. I'm gonna let it cool a little bit.
What is this called?
This is something I made with my mom for many years. It's basically a crumble, but it was called a hot apple cranberry or hot cranberry apple bake. It's a little juicier than I remember.
Down the bottom.
Yeah, it's juicier than I remember.
Okay,
all right, it's a little watery than I remember. I probably just didn't drain everything. Oops, get me a bite. And the verdict. Oh, have you ever had this?
Yeah, I think so.
This is the cranberry apple bake. The next day, the liquid is not watery anymore. It does set up, soaks into it. So we just cut it when it was really hot, and that's why it was liquidy. This is so good. Heat it up in the microwave with ice cream on it. This is the hot apple cranberry bake that I made with my mom that we wanted to share. Thanks so much for stopping by our channel. I hope you'll get a chance to go check out the playlist of the other great fall desserts that are being offered in the collab. I'll have a link to the playlist below. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a wonderful and blessed day, y'all. Happy fall.